Hello students, as you can see here, today we'll be starting exercise 4.3, and in this exercise at the beginning you will learn one method, that is completing the square method. I'm beginning this exercise 4.3, and in this exercise 4.3, first question number 1, here you are asked, you are given equations, 4 equations, and you to find their roots by using this method, completing the square method. And as the name says, completing the square, that means at some point, somewhere, you will have to bring the concept of square. We know when you're talking about the square formula, we have a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. Is that it? So we'll have to bring them. And in first question we have 4 equations. Out of those, this is the one which is pretty much different from others. Others are just straightforward equation, but these we have roots, and you students feel a little complicated or uncomfortable when you see roots. Don't worry. Okay. So I'm writing now. Well, look students, I myself is holding the camera and I myself is writing, so it's somewhat uncomfortable. I hope you understand. When the focus shifts away from this paper, hopefully I'll try to get this through anyhow. Okay. So in first step, what you have to do? You have to see what is the coefficient of x square. Here, what is the coefficient of x square? 4. Yes, that means you have to divide all the terms with 4. Okay, so in first step you have to divide all the terms with 4. That's what I'm going to write. And you can write here. So first step, I hope you've understood. What you have to do, you will always have to see what's the coefficient of x square. In the remaining equations, you may say something like 2, you may say something like 3, so you have to divide them with 3. Okay, so this is the first step. Now after doing this, we know whenever we are dividing, this 4 and 4 is cancelable, and again next 4 and 4 is cancelable. After cancelling, what we can get in the first term will be left with this, second term will be left with this, third term will be as it is. Okay. Yes. Then again, here we are not going to do any middle term. As the name says, completing the square method, so we have to use some concept here regarding square. Alright, the next step, you can do one thing. You can write like this, and you can keep this 3/4 here also on ellipses, and we can take this to REJ also. It is up to you. After lots of practice, you can choose some one of the method, but for now let's keep this 3/4 on the RHS. That means if I take this to RHS, it will be definitely this. Okay, it's simple. The next, here comes the main point. If you can't get this point, you cannot proceed. This will become very tough. Here pay much more attention than whatever attention you are paying till now. Okay, as you can see, in LHS we have x square plus 3x, in RHS we have minus 3/4. First step le x square ni coefficient naji bujung divide kita bada. Okay, to naji klaima to hajing ibu x nis ka naji coefficient dong. X nis ka naji coefficient dong. We have 3, isn't it? This kala ibu 3 ni half lama jing, root 3 ni half. To ha only you may not get. If I say something like students, what is the half of 4? Everybody can say half of 4 is 2. Okay, if someone asks you what is the half of 10, you can say 5. What is that? These are small. I mean half of something, half of 4 is 2, half of 10 is 5. Let's go maths as per answer by government glazing mastery formula you have to see. Okay, now with the help of formula we'll get half of 4 as 2. How? See, 4. And what did I say? Half of 4 lang repka. Off means what? In maths, off la into star. And ang half half. Jum ki maths rep masal bade rep ma. Like this. Okay? To akat skala jing la lima itu. So 2. Answer make go. See? Similarly for 10, half of 10 we know answer is 5. But how 5? Jing be the 1/2. 5 is half of 10 is 5. Similarly, realizing la x ni coefficient the 3 root 3 punijing half la manando. So what if the half of root 3? Similar concept, root 3 ni half la this. Now if we multiply root 3 into 1 is root 3. Okay, so what am I writing? What will I write now? So see, I'll still write as it is plus ikibang as it is repma to hade punyana plus. You must say plus and plus repda mana manando to hang najklima ibo root 3 ni half kyang lakha bislima root 3 ni half ke lakha chplang la ili mai kache to if squares lamang anjam square lamang time pass nela be students. Look, I am not doing this for time pass. We already know that we are doing this method, completing the square method. So ibu x ni coefficient ke ladada buni half laba x ni coefficient la root 3 ni half la root 3/2 buni square lamang doha. So see, square laka to shela plus pasti ibu x square jang root 3x la scan dong la do as it is because mushkil sla do ya, but after that plus reka te chela question la plus 3 divide se thing sir la bache. So what will I do now? And how one mashi minus root 3 by 2 it clay square clay equal to minus 3 by 4. Okay, what I did in this line is a turning point, students. If you don't get this, you cannot proceed. So I'm sniping in this line x square plus 3x equal to minus 3 by 4. I hope you have understood up to that. If line in this line x square plus 3x ang is rapka, but after that if you see x, I mean second term wala gini coefficient at root 3. If we using half ladut scala, we get this one root 3 by 2. If we square lama, okay, so root 3 by 2 whole square. To vuns scala jing plus remanang do. I tell you this mass. Or here plus ribbon dividing on a minus data zasho katsklamako. Okay. Then equal to minus 3 by 4. Then next, what will you do? To turning, you will see first three term. Why we are looking first three term? Why not these four terms? Remember that we are still doing this square method. Square method, you recall this square formulas like a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. Originally, total term avashya to answer value like a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. So how many terms are there? 3 terms. A minus b whole square above. Think about it. A square minus 2ab plus b square. So 3 terms. So here we have square, here we have square. All these 3, I mean this one and this one. Okay, jing mashi whole square formatting photo. How? You see. If x has a square down see, go can you see back in shading x plus root 3 by 2 square. Okay, and this one equal right hand side long have to. If we take this one to RHS, this will also become plus. On LHS it is still minus. So what shall I do? Minus 3 by 4, this was it is this, and plus root 3 by 2 whole square. Okay, students, you may not have understood that one clearly. This one I'll say again. Look, the reason why I wrote this x plus 3 by root 3 by 2 whole square is because here you have to look at first three term. Continuous square method mani nishi if step so that nishi first three term can naimas given knife. First three term brazang bra common dong. I mean square ira square dong. Scalaning ibu magin term ke bracket bishing lahi whole square yama. Okay. Punyo nala ibhagle duko. Equation RHS alama. In RHS we already have minus 3 by 4 plus. If you right get a this will become plus. Now what will you do? Write this beginning a plus b whole square will up to, or you can keep it as it is. Seeing a plus b whole square lab mana yang this scaling that must say. So what I'll do now? X plus root 3 by 2 whole square equal to minus 3 by 4 plus or plus root 3 into root 3. I mean root 3 by 2 whole square. So root 3 into root 3 claim, and we know root 3 into root 3 is 3. So even if square claim do, even if a whole square claim, isn't it? So 2 to is 4. And this line will still be as it is. and this one same minus same. Suppose if I tell you what is 5 minus 5, 0. 100 minus 100, 0. Apple minus apple will be 0. Snake minus snake will be 0. Co-lining this minus this will be 0. Okay. The next line, x plus root 3 by 2. Look, right gate it was 0 down. We have 0 in RHS in this line, and on LHS we have this x plus root 3 by 2 whole square. If we cannot do anything any more on RHS, then jing left get any square ke jing lang manang. So if we bring this square this side, then what will happen? 0 square recoverability. So what will I told you in chapter 2, remember, jing square from left hand side to RHS, if we take, then it will become plus minus, like, so you have to give both the sign, plus minus 0. Okay, the plus minus 0 means what? Now either x plus root 3 by 2 equal to plus 0, here plus minus 0 jing plus reflector. Okay, we're actually taking 1 pinch plus sama pinch minus lama with 0 jing plus do, so you can cancel it. Now we have to find x, isn't it? So if we find x, this will become 0 minus root 3 by 2. So ultimately x will be minus root 3 by 2. Okay. Similarly, or x plus root 3 by 2 equal to minus 0. Then x equal to minus 0 minus root 3 by 2. X equal to minus root 3 by 2. Minus 0 minus anything will be minus anything, and here 0 minus anything will be minus anything. Okay, so here we've got the value of x, this one and this one. Okay, so this is how you should do this type of question.